Welcome to the self-servicing telephone number and signature integration video. The purpose of this video is to detail how the RES Showcase platform has been configured and allow you to quickly evaluate utilising a service catalogue to update user properties in Active Directory and integrate them into the Outlook signatures with RES Workspace Manager. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate the service orchestration capabilities from an end user perspective to enable them to be self-servicing. So in this instance, the user's ability to update their own telephone, mobile or fax numbers. So within RES Service Orchestration, we have a service that's been created for users to update their number. Within this service, you'll see that everybody qualifies. Okay, so there's no restrictions on who can request this service, and the workflow action is set to when people request the service, and then we're going to ask them for some information, invoke an RES automation runbook, okay, and then refresh the user's workspace and send a message. Okay, and after the users have requested and completed the workflow, okay, the service is automatically returned, so they can request it again. Okay, so the Automation Manager runbook, okay, invokes this module to update the user's number. So there are various parameters that are configured here. So we're going to fill in the user's username, the number, and the number type that we are going to update. And then within the individual tasks, okay, we update the user's relevant number. So in this instance, we have a condition that if the user selects they want to update a mobile number, then we will set the mobile number to the number specified via the service orchestration. Okay, so to demonstrate this, I'm going to log on to the Windows 7 VM. I've logged on as a Sales Zone 1 user. I've started Outlook, just so we can see what happens. If I try and create a new email, you can see that my mobile, telephone and fax numbers are all set to the same. If we come back to Active Directory and I locate my Sales 01 user, so Sales 01, okay, under the telephone number you can see the telephone number specified here, and here are my mobile and fax numbers. So if I come back to the service orchestration console, and I have the ability to update a fax or mobile number, so I'm going to go ahead and request this service, and I'll get a message back saying that I need to supply some more information. Okay, so within the service orchestration client, in here I can type in my new number, so I'll type in the office number, and I'll want to update my main telephone number. Okay, so I go ahead and click OK, and what this is going to do is now going to invoke the RES automation runbook. So you'll see it pop up in here in a second. That's going to be fed the information from service orchestration, update Active Directory, and then refresh my users workspace. I think there is actually a delay in the waiting to ensure that the workspace is refreshed before we get sent a message. Okay, so you can see we've received an email. So the email has been sent detailing that our telephone number has been updated and to restart Outlook to reflect any signature changes. So if we just quickly check Active Directory for our Sales 01 user, you can see that my office number has been updated. And the fact that we're using Workspace Manager and we can pre-populate all the fields within Outlook signatures. If I close Outlook and relaunch it, okay, my signatures should also have been automatically updated to reflect the change. So if I click new message, you can see that my office number has been updated here. So that's the power of RES Service Orchestration combined with Workspace Manager to allow users to become self-servicing. For more information on the Virtual Engine Showcase platform or RES software products, please check out the following website resources. Many thanks for taking the time to listen.